Hello everyone, hi, my name is Ernest and I'm going to share with you how to tune your ukulele. Do you know why it's important to tune your ukulele? Because if you didn't tune, it will sound like yay! You can play song. It will sound very weird, okay? So the first step of playing good ukulele is to tune up your ukulele, okay? But before that, you need to know the string. So how do you know which one to tune? Is you must firstly know what is the name for the string, correct? So when you hold the ukulele, the string that is nearest to the floor, that's your A string. So everyone remember A. A for apple, A. The second string is called E. E for elephant. And then followed by C. Cat. And then followed by G. Okay, so now you can repeat as me. A, E, C, G. So can you get it? Yeah! Okay, so the next thing is you must know that in music there is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. After G, we will go back to A but in a higher sounding. So it's like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. After that will be A, B, C, D, F, G. Of course, it's not sound like this, but it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, sometimes when you're using your tuner, in between you will find something called a sharp. Okay, if you don't recognize it, don't worry, just continue to turn on. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce to you the very important thing. Dun, 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 dun. This is a tuner. Okay, so tuner usually you just have an on-off button at the back or at the side depending on your tuner. So mine is at the back. Okay, so once you press it, it will light up. Okay, so where should you put? You should put at the headstock of where it is. Okay, and then the next thing is remember what is the first string? Oh, so if the light are not in the middle means you need to tune it. Okay, the next thing to be careful is always aim your string to the correct tuner. Okay, sometimes you might be nothing changed is because you are tuning the wrong tuner. Okay, so make sure you are using the correct one. Okay, so the first one is A. So let's turn it. So if it's the light is lower, you need to tune higher. If the light is higher, what should you do? You should turn it to lower and make sure the light go to the center. Da da da. Yeah, so now if in the center green means it's in tune. Okay, so let's assume the first one is a A string, but I have G, for example. Oh, it appearing here. G sharp. Okay, G sharp. So what does that mean? Remember just now we count A, B, C, D, E, F, G. After G, then it's back to A. So now, G, is it lower or higher than A? Depending on your string. So now you think it's very near A, so it should be higher a bit. And you see it will change to A. Ta-da. There you go, A. Okay, so how about the second string? Second string is E, so let's do the same thing. Oh, great. Now is B. So from B, what is the next note? It should be a C. Correct? So the next one is D and then followed by E. Some tuner are actually ukulele tuner, so it will automatically jump to the next correct note. So don't be alarmed by, oh, I was at B, suddenly I'm at E. Is it still correct? Yeah, no problem. As long as the alphabet is correct, it's correct. Okay, now I'm at D sharp. So what is the correct? It should be a E. So, oh, I have a E, but it's lower, so I must do higher. Da-da! So I got it. Okay, don't be, if you have a little bit off, it's fine as long as the middle green color is in. Okay? Yeah, so sometimes you want to get exactly, but if it's a little bit off, it's still fine. Okay? Great. Now we are in tune. How about the third string? Third string is a C. Oh, I'm at the C, but it's low. So I must do higher. Ah, is this too high? Yeah, it's too high. So let's do downward. Downward and high. Remember, you just need to have the green color, and there you go. C. Okay, what is the last note? It's the G. Whoa. Now it's displaying a F sharp. So G is before F or after F? Before you must lower, after you must higher. Okay, so now F then followed by G. So I must go higher. See? It will turn to G, but it's still low, so I must turn it to all the way to the center. There you go. And yay! And you can start to play your ukulele when it's in tune. Ta-da! Happy tuning!